Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Automating Enter Key Press with Python Selenium. Introduction. Python Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Selenium to press the Enter key programmatically. This can be useful in scenarios where you need to submit forms or trigger certain actions on a web page. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Code example. In this example, we'll use Chrome as our browser and chromedriver as the web driver. Adjust the code accordingly if you're using a different browser. Explanation. Conclusion. Automating the press of the Enter key using Python Selenium is a straightforward process. This tutorial provides a basic example, but you can adapt it to your specific use case by identifying the relevant elements on the web page and adjusting the code accordingly. Happy coding! ChatGPT.